Hi everyone, we are going fishing today, so I'm just on the way down to pick up some baits. It's going to be a little bit of shrimp and everything else we can find, and then we're heading out of the ocean to check out the new transducers to see if we can see the clear view and everything else from the sonar system on the fish finder. So stay tuned, it's going to be a fun day. Hopefully going to catch something. We don't know yet for sure, but we won't know it before we actually try it, so that's what we're going to do today. To go fishing, and we're taking the skis out to check out the sonar system and everything else that we got in there. Reinstalled yesterday, and I think we are more or less ready to go.
Let's do this.
He's right behind me, darling. Get a better picture. There he is. There you go. He's right here behind me, breathing. You see it? It's coming up and breathing all the time here. There we go. Now she's coming close. There she is. Where is she now? It's a curious young one. Oh, he's here. Oh, he's cute. drifting right now, and the current is getting stronger. So I'm wondering how long he's gonna stay with me. He's really cute. Somebody's having fun. There's fish all the way around. And a bird. We are with a small puffer fish. That's the first catch of the day. He's gonna go out again, and then we'll see if we can catch something bigger. But he's kind of funny. Came drifting out here in the current, and then suddenly this happens. Okay, so catching fish. It's a snapper! It's actually a big one. Oh, look. He's out. I caught myself.
Let me see it. Bastard.